Yo, what's up guys, it's Iron J Moto, and today we are gonna put some new foot pegs on the Softail Street Bob. I went ahead and ordered the Crossthreads mini floorboards, and I'm pretty stoked, man. Feel like I've been wanting some mini floorboards in this style. I do like that the clevis that came with it is black, and I've been seeing these on Instagram a lot on some people's bikes, so I've been hearing some good things, so we'll give it a shot. And to go over everything that comes in the shipment, you get the set of floorboards, you get the mounting clevises or the attachments, and they also include some extra, what would you call this, these little spike things that go on the top in case you misplace one or one gets damaged. And they also give you some Loctite. Should be an easy install, but I figured I'd walk you guys through how to install those spring-loaded pegs onto the Softails. If you guys don't already, I would highly recommend getting some snap ring pliers. It'll definitely make your life a million times easier. Alright, the first thing you want to do is go up to the peg. You have the little snap O-ring right there, and you want to unclip that off of that bracket that's going through.
10 seconds later.
Alright, just kidding. I guess it isn't a snap O-ring underneath there, so I don't even need that. We're just gonna put a flat head in there and make it work. Alright, got that out. And just so you guys can see, this is what was in that bracket here. Usually it's a snap O-ring, so I don't know, maybe this is new for Harley, not even sure. So there we go. And then now that you got that locking pin underneath out, we're gonna go ahead and just take that through. All right. Whoop, that was easy, comes right out. Now with the Crossthread mini floorboard, you do have 3 mounting positions, so you could really adjust where you want that foot peg to lay. For me, I think I'm just gonna keep it simple and roll with the middle one. And then when you're mounting with the clevis, remember you always want the rounded edge to be towards the back, so that way when it's on there, you're going to be able to rotate it like that. That's how you'll know it's going on the right way. The nice thing is you really can dial in the positioning of the bracket by, you could see these little ridges on it, and then those ridges are also inside of the hole, so it really locks it into place. Once you kind of figure out the positioning you want for the foot peg, now you're going to go ahead and take that supplied bolt and you're going to put it right through there, so then that way they're connected to each other. And as with everything else, they actually include some Loctite, so you want to throw some Loctite into the bolt. I know I'm guilty of it, and I've always done a lot on accident, but again guys, a dab will do ya. And this is red Loctite, so you want to be really careful. Alright, now that you got that bolt through the peg and you're happy with the mounting position, remember, now you're going to take your spring and you're going to want it to face almost, I believe it's going to be this way, because there's a little hole in the bracket that you want that to go through. See? And then in the foot peg, you'll actually see a little hole that the spring goes in on that side. So what you're going to want to do is put the spring into that hole, and then while that's in there, swing this over here and get that one into that hole, and then go ahead and put the foot peg right back in, get it lined up so you can get this bracket right back into it. You'll kind of have to wiggle it around a little bit, but once you find it, it'll go all the way through. You'll know you got it on there right, because when you do this, it'll snap back. So now all you'll have to do is take the original ring that you had taken off in the beginning and put it right back on. In my case, I have a whole set of assortment retaining rings, and I'm just going to swap it out for one of these because I'm used to it being one of these underneath the pegs. Alright, I got that on there. Now what I usually do is I'll take some pliers and just kind of squeeze it a little bit more tighter to make sure it's closed on there. Alright, so there you got it, the Crossthread mini floorboards on the Softail Street Bob. Hopefully this video helped you guys out in switching out the pegs. I know it's been done a million times, but I figured, again, I just walk you guys through it while I'm doing it, and to show off the Crossthread mini floorboards. Make sure you guys follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, like this video. Until next time, guys, peace.